welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really fun, good video. You know, 4th of July is coming up, the summer is upon us, and so I'm filming a few recipes and side dishes that you can take to your next family barbecue. Let's get started. First, we're gonna parboil this pasta here. I'm gonna put it in this water for about 5 to 6 minutes and then drain it, and then we're gonna add it to our slow cooker. You heard that right, it's a slow cooker, cheesy, creamy macaroni and cheese. Okay, let's go over what you need in the crock pot. So I'm doubling the original recipe, just so you know. So we're gonna use this, which is what, 16 ounces of Velveeta, Colby Jack cheese, a pound of extra sharp cheddar, and then triple cheddar, a block of cream cheese, 2 cans of evaporated milk, salt, stick of butter, garlic, onion, paprika, a little bit of cayenne, and black pepper. Okay, so now we have to spray the inside of this crock pot with some non-stick cooking spray. Add our macaroni in here. And then just add all the rest of the ingredients. Oh my God.
Sure, we had fun tonight. You and me felt alright. But it's time you pick up your phone. You won't be worth my while. Me and you won't work out. Pick it up, pack it up, get a cab and go.
We're only gonna use half of this bag inside because we want to reserve the rest for the top.
I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I ain't got room for love. I don't need stars above. All I need is my precious space. Yeah, yeah. Why you so serious? Can't you just be my
2 hours.
let me on your way. It's not your fault, my baby.
Let's get into this easy spinach salad with fresh berries. You are going to love it. Super easy. I'm gonna show you the ingredients. First thing, you're gonna need this Brianna's rich poppy seed dressing. You're gonna need some fresh blueberries. I picked up this strawberry cranberry honey nut mix. I think it's gonna be delicious. Some strawberries that we're gonna cut up, slice. Some feta cheese, raspberries, and then I'm going to cut about half of this red onion, as small as I can, and then 2 bags, and then 2 bags of fresh spinach.
Hold on to my, now hold on to my heart. I've been alone before. This way I won't get bored. Well, hold on to my, yeah, hold on to my heart. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I've been too hurt before. I've been through hell and more. So hold on to now hold on to my heart. I've been alone before. This way I won't get bored. So hold on to hold on to my heart.
How absolutely delicious does this salad look? I cannot wait to dig in, but for now we're gonna get started on our chocolate cherry dump cake. For this easy recipe, all you need is 2 cans of cherry pie filling, 1 box of this super moist devil's food cake, and then a stick and a half of melted butter, and that's it. Let's get started.
There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own, but you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late, cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole
You're gonna bake this in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes.
like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. So
Oh my gosh. So cheesy and creamy.
there's been a whole lot of crying, whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot.
Okay, time to dig in. Wow. This came out really, really good. Super creamy, super cheesy, insane. Super, super cheesy. Super delicious. Extra, extra cheesy. I'm actually really, really pleasantly surprised by this. This is my first time making it, but I definitely will be making it again. It beats sitting here trying to like do all that work on the stove, making a roux, blah, blah, blah. When you can just dump everything in here, all you really had to do was parboil the noodles, and that was really it. So definitely make this, definitely bring this for 4th of July or your next barbecue. All right, it's out of the oven. Looking good. I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit and then we'll have a taste test. All right, and the moment that I have been impatiently waiting for, the cake is finally cool enough for me to get a slice out, and I'm gonna put a little scoop of ice cream on top, and I will let you guys know how it tastes. All right, let's dig in. Cheers. Let's get a little bit of that ice cream. That is delicious. You know what it tastes like, honestly? Like a brownie. Like the top is a little bit crispy, but then when you get down to the other layer, it's definitely soft like a cake. And then you have the cherry pie filling. For 3 ingredients, 4 if you include the ice cream, which is optional but definitely recommended. You saw how easy that was? I mean, you literally cannot beat this. And your guests or the host or whoever, if you're going to somebody's house, they will love you for this. Okay, my friends, to end this video, we're gonna end it with a super easy, delicious, like 4 ingredient strawberry lemonade. Let's go. All right, so for this one, we need 1 can of this lemonade frozen concentrate, 4 cups of frozen strawberries, 1/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, and 2 to 3 cups. I'm gonna see kind of the consistency when I put the first 2 cups in there of Sprite. Okay?
You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me. But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when I'd be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, we'll be enemies. No, you don't mind the way I start my words.
Okay, so I thought I was gonna need 2 cups. Like I said earlier, I ended up using 4 cups of the Sprite. So keep that in mind. So let's have a taste. Ooh, wait. This is so delicious. And you saw how easy that was to make. So you definitely need to make this. It's very like, I think that lemonade concentrate is really what gives it like that powerful lemonade flavor. And you know, the flavor of the strawberries with the Sprite, the lemon lime Sprite, that little bit of sugar I added in there I think was definitely needed, because it's still, again, it's very lemony, but also very sweet too. So sweet and a little tangy, but perfect. Like if you like Chick-fil-A's lemonade or like Raising Cane's lemonade, how it's like has that perfect marry together of sweet and sour, this is what it would be. All right, I think that's really all I have for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it from beginning to end. Obviously today is a different day. That's, you know, why I had the outfit change. But if you are new here and you have not subscribed yet, definitely don't forget to subscribe. I would absolutely love to have you on this channel. And that's it. I'll see you guys back here soon for more food. Bye bye.